So the buckling of thin-walled cylinders, it's pretty relevant for NASA applications, aerospace vehicles in general, and the more data that you can get to understand the buckling of these geometries, the better. Most experiments like this have used Coke cans in the past, and what they have to do is actually remove the top of these soda cans, which is really hard to do without deforming the cylinder. It just tends to be kind of a wasteful process and time-consuming. 3D printing, it helps reduce waste because it's additive manufacturing instead of subtractive manufacturing. And they're faster to create specimens, and you can also control the actual geometry, so you don't just have to have a plain cylinder. You can even create like sine waves on the side, so there's a lot of possibility. Publishing as a sophomore, kind of a distant dream, I would say. I started the project last year, not really knowing where it was going to go. I hadn't even used SolidWorks before, so to see it progress the way that it has is really awesome.